How to fix Windows Update error 0x80240061. To fix Windows Update error 0x80240061, try 1. Ensure Windows Update related services are running. Windows Update service, manual, triggered. Windows Update medic services, manual. Cryptographic services, automatic. Background intelligent transfer service, manual. DCOM server process launcher, automatic. RPC endpoint mapper, automatic. Windows installer, manual. 2. Clear software distribution and cache 2 folders content at c:\windows\soft_tware distribution. 3. Run Windows Update troubleshooter. 4. Disconnect hidden USB device by running this command in PowerShell as admin. vig_show_non-present_devices equals 15. Manually install the problematic /missing system update via Microsoft catalog site. Plan B, for driver related update issue, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.